students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today I will teach you maths topic that is factors and multiples. Yes students, so take your notebooks and pencils with you and here we start. Yes students, today's topic is factors and multiples. But in this video I will tell you regarding factors. Yes, these factors, what are the factors? This you can better understand with the help of this example. Yes, Vanshika has 16 marbles. She wants to arrange them in rows such that each row has the same number of marbles. Yes, then she has arranged 16 marbles in different ways. Here you can see 16 marbles she arranged in one row. So this can be represented as 1 multiplied by 16 is equal to 16. Yes, now there is another way. Here she arranged 2 rows and in each row she arranged 8 marbles. Yes, and it can be written as 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. Yes, here are the 2 rows and each row is having 8 marbles. So we can write 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. Now there is third way. Here she arranged 4 rows and each row is having 4 marbles. So this can be written as 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Now see one more way. Now she arranged here 8 rows and each row is having 2 marbles. And this we can write 8 multiply 2 is equal to 16. Now see one more way. Now she arranged 16 rows and each row is having 1 marble. So we can write it 16 multiply 1 is equal to 16. Yes, now the marbles are 16, but we can arrange them according to the different patterns, different ways. Yes, here 1 multiplied by 16 is equal to 16. Here 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. Here 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Here 8 multiply 2 is equal to 16. And here 16 multiplied by 1 is equal to 16. Yes, all the numbers can be multiplied to get given product are called factors of product. You can see here 16 is there and we have written 16 as in different forms of the multiplication. 16 can be written as 1 multiplied by 16, 16 can be written as 2 multiplied by 8, 16 can be written as 8 multiplied by 2, 16 can be written as 4 multiplied by 4 and 16 can be written as 16 multiplied by 1. In each product you will get the product as a 16. Yes, now here in the form of multiplication we are writing all these numbers and all these numbers are called factors of 16. Here you can see 16 is equal to 1 multiplied by 16. So 1 and 16 are the factors of 16. Here you can see 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. Here 2 and 8 are the factors of 16. Here again 8 and 2 are the factors of 16. And here 4 and 4 are the factors of 16. 16 and 1 are the factors of 16. When we will arrange, what we will get? We will get 1, 2, 8, 4, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These are the factors of 16. These are the factors of 16. Yes. See here one more example. If we write like this, 3 multiply 7 is equal to 21. 21 is called product and the numbers which are multiplied to get this product, these numbers are called factors. Here you can say 3 and 7 are the factors of 21. Yes, now see more examples. 7 multiply 6 is equal to 42. So we can say 7 and 6 are factors of 42. Here 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. So here you can say 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Yes, now here 13 multiply 7 is equal to 91. So we can say 13 and 7 are factors of 91. Yes, now students, I hope you have understood what are the factors. Now some important facts about the factors. What are those? See here carefully. A number is its own largest factor. A number is its own largest factor. If 29 is there, then you can say 29 is the largest factor of 29. Yes, then what is the second fact? 1 is a factor of all the numbers. You can say 1 is a factor of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And then what is the next factor? That is, a factor of a number is either less than or equal to the number, but never more than it. For example, in factors of 16 we have observed number of what are the factors were 16? There were 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Here you can see these are less than and equal to 16. Yes, here you can see these are less than or equal to 16. No factor is greater than 16. So next fact is 1 is the only number which has just one factor. All the other numbers have at least two factors. 1 is a number that is having only one factor, otherwise every number is having at least two factors. Now we will move to next, that is how to find factors. How to find factors? We can find out the factors. How we can find those? Express the given number as a product of two numbers. Try out all possible combinations of the multiplication. This you can understand with the help of the example. There is find factors of 18. We will write all the possible factors of the 18. See here, we will start from 1. 18 can be written as 1 multiplied by 18. 18 can be written as 2 multiplied by 9. 18 can be written as 3 multiplied by 6. 18 cannot be written with the help of the 4. Yes, because 4 is not a factor of 18. So we can say that 4 is not a factor of 18. 18 cannot be written with the help of 5. So we can say that 5 is not a factor of 18. Now next is 18, 6 multiplied by 3. Yes, now you have observed how we have written 18 is equal to 1 multiplied by 18, 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 9, 18 is equal to 3 multiplied by 6 and 18 is equal to 6 multiplied by 3. 4 and 5 we have not written. Yes, from here you can see these start to repeat. Firstly we have written 3 multiplied by 6, in next we are writing 6 multiplied by 3. When these will start to repeat, we will stop writing. We will stop writing. Yes, now these started to repeat. So we will stop here. Then you can write factors of 18. What are the factors of 18? Firstly 1, then 2, then 3, then 6. Again 3 is there, we have already written 3. 6 is there, we have already written 6 here. Then 9, then 18. See again, 1, 2, 3, 6. These both we will leave because already we have written 9 and 18. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Yes students, hope you have understood this concept. Yes, do the sums relating to this and have a beautiful day ahead.